Hi guys, in this video I will solve your doubts on can you transfer money from Netspend to Cash App. So the simple answer is yes, you can definitely transfer your money from Netspend to Cash App. But before that, you need to link your Netspend bank account with Cash App. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application. Now once you are on this page, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed on this your account page where you just have to scroll down and then select the option of linked banks. Now in the linked banks, you will be able to see the option of link bank. So you will have to click on this option and then you will be landed on this link your bank account page. Here you just have to press this continue button in the bottom and then you will be landed on this type of section where you will be able to see a bunch of different bank accounts like Chase Bank, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, etc. So in this list you just have to choose the Netspend bank. If you are not able to find it in the list, then you can even use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you will have to search for Netspend. Now once you have found Netspend, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be redirect on the official website of Netspend where you need to provide your banking credentials like your username and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully link your Netspend bank account with your Cash App account. Once it is linked successfully, you will be able to see this prompt which says bank account was successfully linked. So here you just have to press the done button and then you will be landed on this money page. Over here you are going to see your current balance. Now in order to transfer money from Netspend to Cash App, you will have to click on the option of add cash here. Then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you can use these presets in order to add the balance, or if you want to add your balance then you will have to click on these three dots and after that you just have to enter the amount. Then you need to tap on the add button in the bottom and after that it will ask you to confirm your cash pin. So here you need to provide your 4-digit cash pin, and after waiting for some time you will be shown that you have successfully added this much amount to your Cash App account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.